Now let's look at the CDU display more closely. We'll start with the Performance Initialization page. Data lines are on the left and right side of the display. Data lines contain data that is put in automatically by the FMC or manually by the flight crew. Here are 3 examples of data lines. Line titles identify the type of data on the data line below. Some data lines contain boxes. You must put data in the boxes for the FMC to operate correctly. Some data lines contain dashes. It is optional to put data in a data line with dashes. You should put in the data if it is available to improve FMC operation. Some data lines already have data put in. The data has been put in by the FMC or by the pilot. Now let's look at how to use the CDU to put in data. Let's put in the cost index. You must put in the number 30. First, push the number 3 key. Notice that 3 shows at the bottom of the display. This area of the screen is the Scratchpad. Your entry shows here first. Complete the entry. Push the 0 key. Make sure your Scratchpad entry is correct. To move Scratchpad data, you push the line select key adjacent to the applicable data line. To move 30, push the line select key adjacent to the cost index data line. That completes the cost index entry. If your Scratchpad entry is not correct, you can use the clear key to clear the Scratchpad. You push the clear key to remove the last character from the Scratchpad. Push the clear key 1 time. If you hold the clear key, you can remove all the characters from the Scratchpad. Hold the clear key. The FMC shows messages in the Scratchpad. There are many Scratchpad messages. In this example, the entry is invalid. When a Scratchpad message shows, the message light illuminates. To remove a Scratchpad message, push the clear key. You do not have to hold the clear key. Your entry stays in the Scratchpad after the message clears. Push and hold the clear key to clear the Scratchpad. The FMC will show a message in the Scratchpad if there is an entry error or to tell you about system status. If a condition must be corrected before you continue FMC guided flight, the FMC shows a CDU Scratchpad message and the FMC alert light on each pilot's panel illuminates. Clear the Scratchpad message. Now let's continue to put in data. Let's put in the cruise altitude. You must use the correct format. Altitudes can be put in with these formats. To put in the cruise altitude, use one of these formats. You will learn more about data entry formats in other FMC lessons. The execute light is illuminated. Some data is not active or is not accepted by the FMC until you execute your entries. We'll discuss the execute key after you complete all performance initialization page data. Notice that the cruise wind line has a slash in the data line. The slash divides data on the data line. To put in cruise wind, you must use the slash key. Put 270/50 in the cruise wind line. You can also put in a piece of data in one side of the slash. The cruise wind direction has changed to 300. To change the wind direction entry, put in 300/. Now let's see how to put in negative values. Number entries are assumed to be positive unless a minus sign is used. Use the plus/minus key to put in negative values. You push the plus/minus key one time to show a minus. Put minus 47C in the top of climb OAT line. You can put in temperatures in degrees Fahrenheit or Celsius. Your entry is in Celsius. The FMC calculates the equivalent Fahrenheit temperature. Now that the page is complete, you must execute the entries to make them active. To execute your entries, push the Execute key. The word Active is now in the title to show that the FMC uses the Performance Initialization page data. Modifications and the Execute key are discussed more in other lessons.